Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI, and if you are looking for a pair of awesome earbuds that will pair well with either an iPhone or a Samsung, you want to pick up this pair of Back Bay Tempo 30 earbuds. They are super easy to pair, and once you have them paired, you simply pop them in, you hear connected, and you're ready to go. And the way they're designed, you have this rubber earpiece that makes it fit really snugly into your ear. So not only are you not gonna lose this earbud from your ear, you're also not gonna lose it from this case. This has a magnetic case that not only keeps the lid closed, it keeps the earbuds snugly in the case. And check this out. When I put my earbud close, it almost pulls it right into the case. So if you're like me and you've lost earbuds before because of the case popping open, this was a wonderful feature for me. Another thing I like is the discreet design. I like to wear these at work. Some of the other earbuds may hang down out of your ear, and I think in a professional setting, I like something a little bit more discreet versus something hanging down really long out of my ear. So if you are looking for a pair of noise canceling, very crisp sound earbuds that you can pair with any of your Bluetooth devices, definitely pick up the Back Bay Tempo 30 earbuds. I was not disappointed. You won't be either. That's my point of view.